Most fitness apps are aimed at the younger demographic, people in their 20s and 30s trying to get in shape. A few may have gentler workouts included for slightly older groups, but most are definitely skewed toward a younger audience. Apple Fitness Plus changes that standard by introducing workouts designed specifically for pregnant women and older adults. These workouts are intended to be easier to start but customizable enough that participants can increase the intensity if they want. The new workouts for pregnancy consists of 10 workouts that target strength training, core workouts, and mindful cooldown periods. The workouts are 10 minutes long and catered to every stage of pregnancy as well as every fitness level. The workouts for older adults largely focus on strength, flexibility, balance, coordination, and mobility. Studies have shown that once adults begin to slow down and are no longer as active as they once were, aging seems to accelerate. These workouts can help people stave off the aging process. Again, these workouts are 10 minutes long and can be performed on their own or as part of other Fitness Plus workouts. In addition to these more targeted workouts, Apple Fitness Plus subscribers also gain access to new weekly studio workouts, new yoga courses, and more variety in both strength training and high-intensity interval training (HIIT) workouts. These are all in the beginner stages of the app, allowing people new to fitness, or those returning after a long break, to ease their way back into shape without risking injury. Apple Fitness Plus is also introducing new trainers to the roster. The familiar faces users already know will remain, but a new member named Janelle Lewis will join the yoga team. In addition, Anya Garcia will lead the workouts for pregnancy section and add her expertise to the HIIT workouts. Apple Fitness Plus is the first subscription service built entirely around the Apple Watch and is available for $10 per month. It's a series of guided workouts that fit almost any fitness level and age group. If you want to get in shape, but you're afraid of going to the gym until the pandemic clears up, Apple Fitness Plus is a viable alternative that offers a wide range of workout options. If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.